It's a 2017 Lexus RX. This RX is sophistication sharpened and luxury transformed. The untamed elegance will take you away. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, smart device navigation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Of the RX 350, Edmunds.com highlights its high-grade cabin furnishings, luxury sedan ride, user-friendly high-tech features, rock-solid reliability, history, and excellent dealer service. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Cain Toyota, driving beyond your expectations. We're conveniently located at 6527 Whipple Avenue Northwest in North Canton, Ohio, just 10 minutes from the Pro Football Hall of Fame.